Good morning. I want you to think about this. Do you wake up and feel your eyes are dry, gritty, almost like they need a jump start just to clear? Is your vision blurry when you first blink, leaving you exhausted before your day even begins? This isn't just a dry eye problem. This is a thief that comes every night to steal your visual clarity when you need it most. Why does this happen? Your eyes are complex cells that require total repair while you sleep. It's an intensive process of cleaning and rebuilding. It's as if you put your phone to charge overnight, but the cable was disconnected. Your eyes failed to recharge. And with age, this cellular recharge process becomes slow and inefficient, leaving you with that persistent morning fog. I think of my patient, Michael, 74 years old. He came to me because of this visual fatigue. His problem wasn't just seeing, it was that his hands trembled so much from the chronic visual strain that he had to give up his hobby of building model ships. He told me, "Dr. Anya, I feel like my mental sharpness and my vision are leaving me together." His problem wasn't old age. It was the deprivation of essential nocturnal cellular repair. You've been told the solution is simple eye drops. I tell you the solution is strategic nutrition. Today, I'm going to teach you the 3-bite nightly ritual. 3 simple foods that, consumed together, act as a relay team for nocturnal ocular repair. I promise you this trio will not only stop the morning dryness, but will also restore the steadiness to your hands and the sharpness to your mind. The secret is in the synergy. Stay with me until the very end. To understand the 3-bite ritual, we must first understand what your eye must do while you sleep and why it's failing. When the lights go out, your eye enters a high-level, obligatory repair process. Its primary task is to rebuild a fundamental pigment called rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is the light-sensitive molecule that allows you to see in low light. During the day, we use it and spend it. At night, it must be rebuilt. If it doesn't fully rebuild, you wake up with that morning blurry vision and suffer from night blindness when driving, because your night vision system simply isn't ready. With age, the body becomes inefficient at 3 essential things that sabotage this rhodopsin repair and cause dryness, fog, and eye fatigue. 1. Sluggish circulation. Your retina relies on microscopic capillaries. Over the years, blood flow slows down. If blood doesn't flow well, essential nutrients like vitamin A and omega-3s never reach the retina for repair. During the day, we use it and spend it. At night, it must be rebuilt. If it doesn't fully rebuild, you wake up with that morning blurry vision and suffer from night blindness when driving because your night vision system simply isn't ready. With age, the body becomes inefficient at 3 essential things that sabotage this rhodopsin repair and cause dryness, fog, and eye fatigue. Trying to solve this with eye drops alone is like putting a Band-Aid on a leaky pipe. We need to go to the root cause. This is where the 3-bite ritual comes in and why synergy is key. The first bite clears the path and ensures blood flow to the retina. The second bite protects the retina from cellular toxicity. The third bite restores structure and moisture. They are designed to solve each of the 3 aging problems right at the exact time your eyes need the help, while you sleep. Let's start with the path clearer. Now, let's officially begin the ritual with the first bite, the one that acts as our path clearer. The first food in our powerful trio is simple: prunes. I know what you were thinking. Dr. Anya, prunes are just for digestion. That is the myth we must dismantle. Yes, they assist digestion, but that is a secondary benefit. Their primary role in our nightly vision ritual is far more critical. They are essential for ocular circulation. Remember our first enemy from part 2, sluggish circulation? If the microscopic capillaries in your retina are weak and constricted, the essential vision nutrients simply never arrive. Prunes are one of the best food sources of vitamin K, a crucial nutrient that is vital for strengthening these tiny retinal capillaries. It acts like a scaffolding, improving the integrity of those fragile blood vessel walls. This simple act helps prevent microbleeding and ensures that the vital oxygen and repair molecules can actually reach the photoreceptors that are crying out for help. They open the path for the other two foods. I had a patient, Harold, 74, who complained of his vision having to warm up every morning. He would describe a slow, hazy lag after waking up. It took 15 minutes for things to feel sharp. This was a circulation problem. By adding just 1 or 2 unsweetened prunes to his nightly routine, he saw a significant difference in that morning haze. Everything cleared almost immediately because his repair nutrients could finally arrive. Your first bite is simple. 1 to 2 unsweetened prunes consumed about 45 minutes before bed. This is the simple path clearer that sets the entire nightly healing process in motion. With our first bite, the prunes, we successfully cleared the path for nutrients to flow. Now, we must introduce the second food in our relay, the one that provides protection against the night's most toxic enemy. The second food is almonds. The problem we are solving here is oxidative stress. Think of this as the toxic exhaust fumes your eye cells produce all day long. If your eye doesn't have an effective shield at night, these fumes damage the fatty membranes of your crucial photoreceptors. Almonds are a potent source of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant. This specific type of antioxidant is perfectly designed to be the retina's defense system. Because your photoreceptor membranes are made of fatty tissue, the vitamin E literally inserts itself into those membranes, creating a protective layer, like an invisible shield. This shield neutralizes the oxidative stress and prevents the chronic damage that leads to that blurry, gritty feeling you wake up with. This is smart, targeted cellular defense. But almonds provide a secondary essential benefit: deep sleep. They are an excellent source of magnesium and natural melatonin. Why is this critical? Because the highest level of ocular repair, the rebuilding of that rhodopsin pigment, only happens during your deepest sleep cycles. By helping to relax your nervous system and ensure you achieve deep, uninterrupted sleep, the almonds make the entire repair process more effective. I had a patient, Linda, 68, who suffered from chronic dryness and severe glare sensitivity when driving at night. The high contrast lights of oncoming cars felt like a physical assault. This was a symptom of weakened retinal membranes. By adding almonds to her nightly routine, her chronic dryness eased and her sensitivity to glare decreased dramatically. She was actively rebuilding her eye's natural defenses. Your second bite is your shield: 5 to 7 raw, unsalted almonds consumed with the prunes. This delivers the optimal dose of vitamin E and the necessary magnesium for deep, effective nocturnal repair. We have cleared the path with prunes and armored the cells with almonds. Now we arrive at the final, most crucial layer of our ritual: structural restoration. This is the vital role of walnuts. The problem we are solving now is dryness and cellular structure. If the retinal membranes have been damaged by years of oxidative stress, they become thin and inefficient. We need to give them premium construction material. Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, which your body converts into the omega-3s your eye requires. This omega-3 is the essential raw structural material that your fatty cells desperately need. It integrates directly into the thinned membranes of your retina and optic nerve, making them stronger, thicker, and critically more efficient at retaining moisture. This combats chronic ocular dryness from the inside out, not with superficial drops. Walnuts provide a secondary essential benefit: deep sleep and pressure regulation. They boast one of the highest concentrations of natural melatonin among all whole foods. This ensures you achieve the depth of sleep necessary for complete hormonal repair processes. Furthermore, omega-3s and deep sleep are directly linked to the regulation of intraocular pressure, a key factor in glaucoma and blurry vision upon waking. A walnut before bed is an investment in the structure and pressure of your entire visual system. I had a patient, Mr. Alvarez, 71, who had such severe chronic dry eye that he was using lubricating drops every few hours. He had tried every treatment available without lasting success. I prescribed him the complete trio, ensuring the walnuts were included as the structural component. After 1 month, he came back to my office and said, "Dr. Anya, my eyes no longer itch. I only use the drops once a day out of habit." We were solving the problem from the cellular architecture up. Your third and final bite is the restoration. 2 to 4 walnut halves consumed along with the other 2 foods. This is the last piece of the relay team, fully recharging your vision and moisture for the morning. We have reached the end of our ritual. The key to the success of this method is synergy. It is not enough to eat just one of these foods. They must work as a relay team. The prunes acted as our path clearer, ensuring circulation arrived. The almonds acted as our powerful shield, protecting membranes from stress. The walnuts acted as our builder, providing the structural omega-3 material needed for restoration. Here is the complete ritual. Consume these 3 bites: 1 prune, 5 to 7 raw almonds, and 2 to 4 walnut halves about 45 minutes before bed. That is the single, simple act that recharges your vision while you sleep. Now, before we move to the final challenge, a few critical safety notes from your doctor. Your eyes are complex, and certain conditions require specific medical supervision. 1. Blood thinners, because prunes and walnuts contain vitamin K and omega-3, which can affect blood clotting. You must consult your doctor if you are on prescribed blood thinners like warfarin. 2. Glaucoma, or AMD. While this ritual supports overall ocular health, it is not a treatment for conditions like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, or glaucoma. If you have these diagnoses, you must continue your prescribed medical treatment. This ritual is meant to be a powerful, supportive tool, not a replacement for your physician. The problem was never the eye drops. The problem was a lack of materials for a successful nightly repair. Now, you have the blueprint. My final challenge to you is simple. Commit to this 3-bite ritual for 7 consecutive nights and notice the difference in your life. Does the morning blur disappear faster? Is the glare sensitivity reduced? Are your hands steadier in the morning? Which symptom are you most excited to see change? Tell me in the comments below. Your success is the greatest proof we have. If this video gave you clarity and hope, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Dr. Anya, and I'll see you in the next video.